Okay, well, we're here with, idiots. We should just cut the starter off of there.
No,
It's held on by one of the wire nuts.
let it go.
Why don't we get, like, the good dog?
No, let us struggle.
Okay, you're gonna struggle. Struggle for content. Oh, we got Tweedledee and Tweedle Dumbass running into my mandrels. Ooh, look at my bells. Look at that. What?
How the hell are we gonna get this on?
It rolls. Oh my god, I just saw that heading towards my brand new door and I was about to have a fucking meltdown.
Oh my god! John, come here for a second. This is an electrical code violation.
The inspector came in and said it was okay.
No, it's not.
I will trust the actual electricians over Andrew.
Pick one end up, just like this. This is rigging 101.
I don't know what the f you're doing. Now it's shady.
No.
What the f is... You're caught on a box.
Wait, can you get a close-up shot of this, please?
Alright, so here's...
the hook up there. Yeah.
That's positive
Just
engagement.
the tip.
You're gonna clear your pile of shit there, Fred Stanford?
Are you getting this? Like, come here.
I'm...
Just no, don't leave. Bring it here. Give me it.
John, you getting this?
He's
I'm
not
trying.
even doing it.
How are you gonna reach this chain now?
No, this is dumb because we're gonna die. We're both gonna fall.
Dude, we would have been better off carrying this thing down the stairs.
No.
Sure we would have. That's how they do it in the real world.
There it goes.
Yeah, dude, what is the word I'm looking for here? He didn't need it. He didn't need his Wheaties this morning. Hey, take the slack off the bottom, ding dong. It's still sitting on the stairs. Nice work, John. Boy, thank fucking God we got you around here. Oh, Jesus.
Yay!
Next. Oh, who's driving this thing?
What is your gauge length of the sling?
You're making up words now. You just sound stupid. Here. All right, John, come here. Here, hold on to the back of my shirt. Here, this is the safest way to do this. It's not gonna reach. I can see it.
I bet you $3 it'll reach.
It's not gonna reach.
I bet you it'll reach. I bet it'll reach. We got like another 4 feet on the
No, you
chain.
don't, you liar.
4 feet on the chain.
No, you don't.
At least 6 feet. Oh, look at this. Oh.
All right.
Andrew's on fucking
All right.
Ah! I love that feeling so much. It makes me so happy. Look at this, look at it up there. It bottomed out as soon as we hit the ground.
All right, you ready?
You're nice and dirty. It's actually kind of funny.
I am dirty.
So I got
feels nice.
my Denny number 1. Get my other ones tomorrow. Oh yeah, circle shear. I should screw it to the floor because I think that's where it's gonna be forever. Got some brass here. Got the power hammer here. Got my walk-in belt sander hanging out. We got some vices rigged up. Got my brake here, which I don't really want anymore because I don't really use it. I got purple.
I really want to see that buffalo purple.
Yeah, that would look good. You want to clean all the grease off it? You want to clean all the machines for me?
I'll do the buffalo.
These ones aren't too dirty.
No.
Because these were in the middle of the floor. Milwaukee's just going outside. Those would be the only 2 really. Oh yeah, we got the little hardened here. We got some bells. Look at that. It's like looking like a real place. Look at my cart. Oh, look at that fucking cart. Ah! My Bliss spinning lathe, which is kind of funny. Look at these bells. Look at that. The first Beverly Shear bells. We got everything. We got nickel silver. We got gold brass. We got 016 yellow, 020 yellow, 025 yellow, ginger ale. We got carts with perfect trumpet bell blanks. We sell blanks too. You want to make trumpets, bells, but don't want to do all the work? Want to do the flashy shit? Then we sell blanks. I don't care. $5. No. $70. I don't know. John, tell us what this machine does.
This machine right here.
Yeah, that one right there. It's got something weird. Some weird bell.
It's got.
Well, it's
got
well.
a nice.
Nice weld.
plate bolted to it.
Yep. Hey.
Beautiful.
Someone did a bang up
beautiful
job.
Welding. Just a novice welder who just managed to be.
Okay, get over it.
amazing.
Get over it. Get over it.
You can do inside spinning here.
Ooh. If anyone has a Cataract 5C closer, not the drawbar, I have the drawbar. I want a closer for this guy. You can see this one's actually been inside spun already around. I have a 5C collet that I matched to the trumpet bell pattern. And we got our yoke here. So. Ooh. Ooh. You gotta get that, we gotta do that again. Ready? Oh. The premise is you got a spinning tool.
Yeah, why did you weld that without that?
Because I forgot. So say this is my spinning tool, and this is my trumpet bell. So this obviously will not be flip-floppy, it'll be bolted in place. You take your spinning tool, actually too far now, and then you, while it's spinning, and you poke it out just like that, and then I'll have a set screw here that I'm gonna weld a wrench to, so it's just like, you know, quarter turn to tighten this thing down or loosen it. So every bell you have to move this out of the way. But it's a lot easier than every bell. I have to, like, on my Cincinnati, go on the dial to get it out of the way every time. Instead of just be like quarter turn on a wrench to go bloop, 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 bloop. And then once you get the bell opened up a bit more, you leave it like this, and then you take the T-handle tool and you go. Inside spinning lathe.
It's just that easy.
It's just that easy. $9.99. I got this lathe from Jim who was moving a fork. And that vice.
What a vice. We need to show off its capabilities.
Oh yeah? So this is one of those cool vices. This one's in really nice shape where it has the ye old swivel jaw, which took a bit of work from Jawn to get the copper pin out of there. These are cool because they can hold on to tapers. So this is like an Allied trumpet manual. It's taped, and with straight draws this would never work, but you see the pivot here, pivots, and it holds tapers. Which, so if you ever need to hold a trumpet bell, oh, we brought the buffer and the air compressor downstairs. I bet this will be the same video. I'm going back and forth. I think this lade's on an angle here. I like it on the angle, and I'll put the other one on the angle too, because this one's gonna have full bell manuals. That one's gonna be only flares. With this one, to get the bell off, it would run into the spindle of the other one unless it's on this angle. I'm pretty sure. I'm talking French horn bells, not trumpet bells. This were straight, run into the other lathe, should be right there. So just to avoid any issue with that, we're gonna put this one on these two on a bias, and then these are probably gonna be straight, because it's gonna be this one here and then another one there. This is probably gonna end up moving a bit more that way. This one's actually screwed to the floor. I hope these things don't shake the floor too much. I don't think they will. I don't know, what else is there, John? What do you like? What do you like about this place?
I like the fact that it's coming together. You got a nice long table here.
Let's go upstairs. We got progress upstairs. Let me get my flashlight because Andrew broke the electrical up there. This might not work, but it's too dark. Can you see anything at all?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, we'll come on in. So we cleared out this room. Tomorrow the HVAC people are coming to move this unit to this wall, which we put some green board up on. That's it. I can come up here again tomorrow and show it. Break my step. Did you break my step? You broke my step!
I didn't even see.
Oh, John!